My name is Gabriella. I'm an artist and a photographer, and I'm a single mom. We moved into this affordable housing where I can do my art in my studio and have a little bit more space for my two kids. The biggest struggle is that me and Luna would share the bedroom. Finding ideas to accommodate the two of us has been the biggest struggle. It's really not inviting. We'd like to have it to be more of a sanctuary for us.
My mom works really hard, and she never really gets a chance to relax. And I don't know, she deserves a place where she can do that.
It's going to be a learning experience, definitely. It's just beyond what I imagined could be done with four walls. It feels like everything has a place. It's a happy place. It's my sanctuary. I believe that home is one of the most important places for a family. I want them to grow up and then look back on this experience and on the memories that we are building in this space, and to be able to have a place where we all can share and feel comfortable in and enjoy it. It's a dream come true, so we're very grateful that this is happening.